You know, buying or refinancing a home can be a little overwhelming. You got rates, loan types, products, scenarios, investments, credit scores? Wow, that's overwhelming. But guess what? Every single one of these things is not just our job, it's our passion. And we're here to help make the loan process smooth as butter so that you can save money, move into your dream home, or cash out on that equity. Boy, that is just so satisfying. We don't want you to be stressed. So we've created a series of videos that outline the steps you'll be going through and what things to look out for and what to expect. And most importantly, how to keep everything running smoothly. Yep, just like that. Okay, so to get the ball rolling, it's time to fill out a loan application. We'd absolutely love to sit down face to face and fill out the application for you. This way we can get to know you and learn all about your housing goals. But if you're from out of town or too busy, no worries. You can simply fill out the form online or give us a call and we'll do it over the phone. And as soon as the application's filled out, we'll pull your credit reports and let you know your scores. Now, your credit score is a determining factor in your approval. And what we do is we typically go with the middle score, okay? And we got three major pillars that determine your interest rate and payment. LTV, loan to value, DTI, debt to income, and your credit score. If you have any worries about your credit, debt, or income, don't sweat bullets. We help people from all sorts of financial backgrounds get qualified and on the path to home ownership. And if we find that there's improvement that can be made to your credit, we'll help you get that done. Now with the ball sufficiently rolling, guess what? You're on the road to pre-approval. With the application done, it's time to get pre-approved. We'll run your application through our automated underwriting engines. This gives us a loan approval. If it's not approved, don't panic. We know exactly what steps we need to make to get an approval. For example, it may tell us your DTI is too high, so it could be as simple as paying off a credit card. Your DTI lowers, and voila, approved. Most people get pre-approved for several different loan types. Don't worry, we'll explain all the different options and help you decide which is best for your goals. If you're putting an offer in on a house, we can have you an approval letter in a matter of minutes. We can also customize your pre-approval letter to match your offer. This can help when negotiating. A lot of people ask us how long the pre-approval lasts. Well, it's good for as long as your financial situation stays the same. So don't go out and open a new credit card, buy a car, or something extravagant. Rule of thumb, if you're in the loan process, please call us before making any credit or purchase decisions. Oh yeah, and one last thing. Credit reports are good for 90 days and appraisals are good for 120 days. We'll send you a list of all the documents you need to round up so we can get it sent off to the underwriter. So come on, let's get things rocking and rolling. Now that you've gathered all the documents on your checklist, we've packaged them up into a nice little present to send off to the underwriter. The underwriter's job is to follow an exact checklist and go through everything with a fine-tooth comb to make sure every document is included in your loan package. And if they happen to find something missing or need any supplemental documents, that's when we'll get approval conditions. We'll help you round them up as quickly as possible and back to the underwriter. Sometimes we'll get underwriter approval in as little as a few hours. And we'll definitely let you know a time frame as soon as we submit your loan. Keep in mind, the underwriter is underwriting you and your house. So to get the value of your house, we order an appraisal. Now we're not notified who the appraiser is until after he has inspected the property and sent the report to us. This keeps the appraisal process and home values fair, honest, and consistent. Typically, appraisals take between 5 to 7 days to complete. So here's to hoping the appraiser views your house like this and not like this. Once the underwriter completes the review of all loan conditions, they'll issue the final loan approval. And look at that, it's the big thumbs up and we are cleared for takeoff. Alrighty, now that the underwriter has given us the big thumbs up, the closing department will start working on your closing loan documents. The title company will work with the closing departments to make sure that all the funds are balanced. And they'll have it down to the penny on the exact day that we close. Once your loan is cleared to close, they'll send out what's called a CD, or a closing disclosure, which has to be signed by you and whoever else is on the loan. To make sure everything's transparent and you don't have any surprises at closing, the feds give you 3 days to review all the final numbers, so you'll have plenty of time. Once you sign that closing disclosure, then we can close as fast as 3 days later. Woohoo! So now we're just about ready to close, and let me tell you, this is one closure you won't want to miss. Now the title company is going to be contacting you to schedule a convenient time for you to pop on over for signing. And if you need to bring any money into closing, they'll send you the exact wiring instructions. And here's something really cool. Let's say you're out of town on business or even better, vacation. We can do what's called a mobile closing. This can be done at your home, your place of business, a Starbucks coffee, or whatever's convenient for you. Now keep in mind, a mobile closing can add a day or two to your closing timelines. So just make sure to check in with us so we know we're within your closing deadlines and your rate lock period. So do me a favor, okay? Get that writing hand warmed up because it's about to get real.